Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Evangeline, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple tutorial on how to put an ad break to your YouTube videos. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. In order for us to set an ad break on our videos, the length of our videos must be 10 minutes and above, so we can put more ad breaks in it. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, we make sure that we downloaded a Chrome app in our phone. First, we have to click the Chrome app, click Customize Channel, type youtube.com. After we have typed youtube.com, then we have to set our phone on desktop side. And above right up there, you can see the three dots. We have to click that. We just have to scroll it down and click the desktop side. After that, you can click your profile picture, then click your channel, click Customize Channel, After we have clicked the Customize Channel, then we are heading now to our channel content dashboard. And then from here, you can click your content. As soon as you reach your channel dashboard or channel content dashboard, then you can see all here your videos. So what you need to do now is to choose one of your videos that you want to set an ad break on it. So in order to set an ad break, you have to click the $sign. As soon as we choose that video we want to put an ad break, then now we have to go in the video monetization. And down below you can see the manage MIDROLL. Then you have to click on that. And finally, here it is. We have to set our ad break in this side. And as you can see right above there, you can see on the right side, you can see here's the ads were placed automatically. But when you want to set an ad break to your videos, you just scroll it down. And when you look at the screen, you can start setting your ad break in this way. So as you can see on the screen, there's a tiny line down below. So we have to position that line in which place we want to put an ad break. And after you position already the line, then you can click the ad break on top up there. So right after you set already the one line and already put an ad break on it, then you have to go back down below again and set all the line in every position you like to put an ad break, and then go back up there again and click the ad break until the end of your videos. And as soon as you set already your ad breaks in your videos from the beginning until the end of your videos, then you can just click the continue. And right after you click continue, then you just scroll up and you can see there up there there is writing save. Then you just click the save. And soon right after you click the save, so you can just leave the screen because it's been already saved and done. So everything has done. It means that your ad break has already been successfully saved and set. So I hope guys this tutorial could help you a lot in solving your problem in setting your ad break on your videos. So once again, this is Evangeline. Thanks for watching and stay safe everyone. Bye!